All right, coming to you live from VMworld here in Las Vegas. I'm here with Mike Truitt. Mike, how are you?
I'm doing great. It's been a good week so far.
Awesome. So what is it that you do at EMC?
I'm the director in charge of the Corporate Solutions Engineering group within EMC. It's a really fancy title that I have a wonderful team that works for me that specializes in several cloud technologies. Our enterprise hybrid cloud technology, which is based on VMware, our native hybrid cloud technology, which is an OpenStack variant, and also a business data lake technology that is emerging for the team as well.
Cool. Well, why don't we double click on the enterprise hybrid cloud? What is that? What you can tell us about that?
Great question. What it is it is a combination of about 40 different products, both hardware and software. So you start with the base of any data center or cloud, and that's compute, network, and storage. We really focus on VCEs, VX block hardware. It's been out for years. It's well known in the industry. Customers love it. So we start at that base, and then we use the best in breed products from VMware. I think we panned in from VMware at the beginning of this shot.
Right.
We absolutely use the VRA suite products. So orchestration, management layer, and then on top of that, we use all their capabilities, and we layer our engineering intellectual property. So we build in workflows that automate your backup as a service, your recovery as a service. We really add features and functionalities to what is already there to give you a complete cloud. So when on day one, I call them the printer test pages. The very first things you have are workflows just for Linux and Windows, but when you go and click those workflows, you can then choose automatically that, hey, I want this Windows, this is maybe a three-tiered app, and the SQL database underneath needs really quick backup and a long retention because OLTP database would need, it's going to change really quickly. But your web tier maybe needs a slower backup schedule of a month. Those backup schedules are already inherent in the solution we built. It's already there for the customer to utilize and increase their speed to business.
Cool. And so the other one you mentioned was native hybrid cloud.
Yes.
How do those two differ?
They really are different targets for customers. Where native hybrid cloud really targets the commodity market. A lot of the people who like OpenStack. You're looking at more of the hosters, more of the folks that are looking to take on a software as a service with commodity software and hardware. That's really what you get with things like Horizon and the OpenStack suite of products, which are great. We really need to have multiple targets to really reach our customer needs. It can't just be that enterprise customer. It also needs to be enterprise customers and hosters and all the customers in between. We need to meet their needs across the board.
Cool. And then just to end with, where do you see EHC Enterprise Hybrid Cloud going over the next year? What are some of your goals?
Really to simplify and solidify the solution. One of the things now that we're dealing with, to be perfectly honest, is again, I talked about the 40-some pieces of software in it. We have to really simplify the upgrade process, so make that easier for customers to have bought into the solution or will be buying into the solution to go from the version they are today to the version they are in the version that we'll have in the future. And that right now is one of our major focuses, to really make that, and that's a message you'll hear all the way up to the president of the organization, Chad Sakach.
Cool. Mike Truitt, thank you so much.
Thank you.